The credit score is a critical financial metric, often misunderstood yet essential for a wide array of financial decisions. In this segment, we will delve into what makes up your credit score, how it affects your financial standing, and practical steps you can take to improve and maintain a high score. If your credit score is not in the good standing, meaning you have a bad credit score, know that your financial freedom journey has not started, but the good news is that it can be fixed in no time. In addition, you might want to download my ebook, Understanding Credit Score, for free. Link below. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got a near-perfect credit score of 845 out of 850 score in less than 6 months. The basics of credit scores. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, a crucial factor that lenders use to determine the risk of lending you money. The most commonly used credit scoring model in the United States is the FICO score, which ranges from 300 to 850. Here's a detailed breakdown of the factors that influence your FICO score. Payment history, 35%. 1. Your payment history is the most significant factor in your credit score. 1. It includes your track record of paying off debts, such as credit cards, mortgages, and loans, on time. 1. Even a single missed payment can have a substantial negative impact on your score. Amounts owed, 30%. 1. This category, also known as credit utilization, measures the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limits. 1. A lower credit utilization ratio is better, indicating that you're not overly reliant on borrowing. Length of credit history, 15%. 1. The age of your credit accounts also plays a role. A longer credit history provides more data on your borrowing behavior, which can boost your score. Don't believe anyone who tells you you can fix your credit score in 4 days or in 30 days. Credit mix, 10%. 1. Lenders like to see that you can manage a variety of credit types responsibly, including credit cards, retail accounts, installment loans, and mortgages. New credit, 10%. 1. Each time you apply for credit, it results in a hard inquiry on your credit report. 1. Too many inquiries in a short period can lower your score. Detailed analysis of credit score factors. Payment history, the cornerstone of your credit score. Your payment history is the foundation of your credit score. It shows lenders your ability to manage and repay debts. This section includes 1. On-time payments. Consistently making payments on time is crucial. 1. Late payments, collections, and bankruptcies negatively impact your score. 2. Delinquencies. The severity, amount, and frequency of missed payments are considered. 2. A 30-day late payment is less severe than a 60-day late payment. 3. Public records. Bankruptcies and foreclosures are serious negative items that stay on your report for up to 10 years. Credit utilization. Managing debt responsibly. Credit utilization is the second most critical factor. It shows how much of your available credit you're using. 1. Credit card balances. Keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limits. 1. Aim for a utilization rate below 30%, but the lower, the better. 2. Paying down balances. Regularly paying off your balances can improve your utilization rate. 3. Multiple accounts. Spread balances across multiple cards rather than maxing out one. Length of credit history. Building a long-term profile. The length of your credit history reflects how long you've been using credit. 1. Average age of accounts. This includes both the oldest and newest accounts. 1. Longer histories are preferable. 2. Account longevity. Keeping old accounts open can help improve this factor, even if you don't use them frequently. Credit mix. Demonstrating versatility. A varied credit portfolio shows that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. 1. Revolving credit. This includes credit cards and lines of credit. 2. Installment loans. This includes mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans. 3. Retail accounts. Store-specific credit cards also factor into your mix. New credit. Exercising caution. Opening new credit accounts can impact your score in several ways. 1. Hard inquiries. Each new credit application results in a hard inquiry. 1. While one or two have a minor impact, many inquiries in a short period can be damaging. 2. New accounts. Newly opened accounts can lower your average account age, which might negatively affect your score. Practical steps to improve your credit score. Improving your credit score is a step-by-step process that requires discipline and strategic planning. Keep your usage low, make payment early on when due, have few credit accounts. Here are some actionable steps you can take. 1. Apply for a no annual fee credit card. Choosing a credit card with no annual fee is a smart move, especially for those looking to build or rebuild credit. These cards allow you to establish credit history without incurring additional costs. Some excellent options include: 1. Bank of America Cash Rewards Credit Card. 2. Discover It Secured Credit Card. 3. Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. By keeping these cards open, you lengthen your credit history, which can positively affect your score over time. 2. Always pay off balances in full. Paying off your credit card balances in full each month is crucial. This practice ensures that you avoid interest charges and demonstrates to lenders that you manage your credit responsibly. Here are a few tips. 1. Set up automatic payments. This ensures you never miss a payment. 2. Monitor your spending. Use budgeting apps to keep track of your expenditures and ensure they stay within your means. 3. Treat credit like cash. Only charge what you can afford to pay off immediately. 3. Apply for additional credit cards strategically. After establishing a good payment history with your initial card, consider applying for additional credit cards. This can help in several ways. 1. Lowering utilization. More available credit can lower your overall credit utilization. 2. Increasing positive trade lines. More accounts in good standing can boost your score. 4. Apply for rewards credit cards. Once you've built a solid credit foundation, you can benefit from rewards credit cards. These cards offer cashback, travel points, and other perks that can be financially advantageous. Some notable rewards cards include: 1. American Express Gold Card. 2. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. 3. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. 5. Diversify your credit mix. Over time, adding different types of credit can improve your score. Consider taking out installment loans like auto loans or personal loans if needed. However, avoid unnecessary debt and always ensure you can meet the repayment terms. 6. Patience and consistency. Building a high credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency in paying bills on time, keeping balances low, and maintaining a good mix of credit will gradually improve your score. Advanced strategies for rapid credit improvement. For those looking to accelerate their credit improvement, here are some advanced strategies. Become an authorized user. Being added as an authorized user on a credit card with a long, positive history can quickly boost your score. This practice, known as credit piggybacking, allows you to benefit from the primary cardholder's good credit practices without actually using the card. Pay off debt strategically. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, then move to smaller balances. This approach, known as the debt avalanche method, can help you save on interest and reduce your overall debt faster. Use Experian Boost. Experian Boost is a free service that allows you to add utility and telecom payments to your credit report. These on-time payments can improve your credit score, especially if you have a limited credit history. Negotiate and remove negative items. If you have late payments or accounts in collections, negotiate with creditors to have these items removed from your credit report. Often, they are willing to do this if you pay off the debt or agree to a settlement. Dispute inaccuracies. Regularly check your credit report for errors. If you find any inaccuracies, dispute them with the credit bureaus. Removing incorrect negative items can significantly improve your score. Managing credit wisely. In addition to building and improving your credit score, managing it wisely is crucial for maintaining financial health. Here are some tips. 1. Monitor your credit regularly. Use free credit monitoring services to keep an eye on your credit report. Regular monitoring helps you catch errors early and spot any signs of identity theft. 2. Avoid opening too many accounts at once. While it's beneficial to have multiple credit accounts, opening too many in a short period can hurt your score. Space out your credit applications to avoid a negative impact. 3. Maintain a low balance. Aim to keep your credit card balances below 10% of your credit limit. This practice not only helps your credit score but also ensures you are not living beyond your means. I have a separate video on this. 4. Plan major purchases. If you plan to make a significant purchase, such as a home or car, prepare your credit in advance. Avoid applying for new credit cards or loans in the months leading up to your purchase to ensure your credit score is at its best. 5. Freeze your credit when not in use. Identity theft and fraud are rising concerns. If you are not actively applying for credit, consider freezing your credit with all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This prevents anyone from opening new accounts in your name without your permission. Conclusion: understanding and optimizing your credit score is crucial for financial success. By comprehending the factors that influence your score and taking proactive steps to improve it, you can achieve a high credit score that opens doors to various financial opportunities. From obtaining better loan terms to accessing premium credit cards with excellent rewards, a good credit score is an invaluable asset. For those seeking to improve their credit quickly, strategies like becoming an authorized user, paying off debt strategically, using services like Experian Boost, negotiating with creditors, and disputing inaccuracies can provide rapid improvements. However, patience and consistency remain the cornerstones of building and maintaining a strong credit profile. By implementing the tips and strategies discussed in this video, you can take control of your credit score and enhance your overall financial health. Remember, a high credit score not only reflects well on your financial responsibility but also provides you with more opportunities and security in your financial endeavors. Thank you for joining us in this detailed exploration of credit scores and how to optimize them. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay informed and proactive in managing your credit, and you will reap the benefits of a strong financial foundation.